Hello children, how are you all? In the previous science class, we started the lesson Our Body. Isn't it children? In that class, what we learned about how body is made up of, right? How body is made up of? Yes, smallest part. What is that? Tell me children. Cell, right? Yes. Cell, group of cells make a tissue, right? Group of tissues make an organ. And group of organs make an organ system, isn't it children? And so many organ systems are there in together make a body or are also called organism, right? Organism, nothing but a full body, right children? Now today in this class we are seeing mainly about organ systems. Okay, in our body so many organ systems are there. Okay, we'll see few organ systems in this class, right children? Now first, organ systems are there in your textbook, like children. First one, skeletal system. I said this one right in the previous class. Skeletal system, right? After that, muscular system. Okay, remember these spellings children. Third one is about digestive system, right? Digestive system. And fourth one is about respiratory system. You have to learn all these spellings. I will tell you the definitions of these all. Okay. And another four also there in your textbook. One is fifth one is circulatory system. Okay. Circulatory. And sixth one is nervous system. Okay children. Seventh one is excretory system. And eighth one is reproductive system. Okay. Now, these two I said in the previous class only. Muscular and skeletal system we learned in the previous class, right? What is the skeletal system? I said all the bones in our body make up skeletal system. How many bones are there? I said, tell me children. 206. Right? 206 bones are there in a human body. And coming to muscular system, all the muscles. Muscles are nothing but, okay, those are around the bone. Okay, tightly fixed. Flesh one. That one we call it as muscle. How many muscles are there? Around more than, okay, more than 600 muscles in a human body. Right children? That is about. Now I will show those pictures also for you one by one, all the systems. Okay. First, look at here. This is skeletal system in our body. All the bones. Okay. So many bones from top to bottom. Understood? All the bones make up skeletal system. Skull, ribs, okay, hands, legs, everything we have those bones form a skeletal system. Next one is muscular system. Around the bone, look at here children, this is the muscular system picture. Okay, all the muscles around the bone. After bones, muscles are there. Okay, then it forms muscular system. How many muscles are there? I said total more than 600 muscles. Right children? Next system is about digestive system. Okay, today we'll see remaining all the systems. Okay, what are the organs are there in each system? We'll see now. Okay, first, digestive system. Children, what I said, skeletal system, what are the organs? Bones only. And in muscular system, which is the organ? Muscle. Understood? Now, digestive system. Digestive system. In this system, children, some group of organs make a digestive system. Means that those organs helps in digestion. What is digestion? Digestion is nothing but we are taking food, right? That food has to broke down, understood, into small pieces. That one we call it as digestion, understood. After taking any food into your mouth, it has to broke down into small pieces, very minute. Minute means very small, and it enters into the blood, understood. That, okay, which organs helps in breaking down of food, okay, those comes under digestion. That one, those organs comes under digestive system. Which organs? First, mouth, okay. After that, food pipe, okay. After that, food pipe. After stomach. Now I'll show you the picture. Look at here. This is mouth, suppose. Side view I am drawing. Okay, look at here. Suppose this is mouth, okay. Food pipe, stomach, like this, okay. And big one, and comes, which comes out, okay children, like this. The system is like this. Now this is mouth, this is food pipe, and this one is stomach, and here we have a liver, okay. Liver we have, and after that small intestine, okay. That is like a pipe only inside the stomach, and large, somewhat big one, we call it as large intestine, okay. And last one is anus. So these are all the organs that help in digestion of food. So these all organs comes under digestive system. What is the function of digestive system? It helps, okay, in digestion of, in digesting the food, okay children. So food is digested in our body. How? Mainly based on this, okay, with the help of these organs, the food is digested in our body. So all these organs comes under digestive system. After taking food into the mouth, it goes into the food pipe and it enters into the stomach, and again it comes to, and there it breaks down, okay, small pieces, and it enters into the small intestine. After that, large intestine, and waste in our body is there, right? After eating food, some waste will be, okay, that waste comes out, okay, through anus. So these are the digestive system. Now I'll show you that picture for you. Look at here children, this is the digestive system in our body, okay. Mouth, this is food pipe, also called esophagus. After that, stomach, and small intestine, large intestine, big intestine, and the waste food comes out, okay, through a small hole, anus. So like this, digestion of food, okay, in our body. Which system helps in digestion of food? Digestive system. Remember children. Next, another system, okay, this is about digestive system. Next system is about, fourth one, respiratory system, okay. Remember these spellings, learn all these spellings children. Respiratory means respiration is nothing but breathing children. We are breathing, right? Take somewhat air inside and leave it. So we are breathing in air and out. Then what happens? Our chest comes up and down, right? Right? So this is nothing but we have inside some organs. Those organs helps in respiration. Respiration is nothing but breathing. Okay, remember. Next, coming to how, suppose, again, this is nose, mouth, and here, okay, and from here it enters like this, and we have two like this, okay. These two are lungs. What we call children? Lungs. And this one we call it as a trachea or windpipe, okay. Simple name. What is that? Windpipe. You will get in higher classes, remaining big, okay, names for those. And this one is nose, right? Right children? So air which is entering inside into the nose, keep your hand, you can feel it, right? Air goes inside, and inside to the wind means moving air children. Windpipe, okay, it is a pipe, and after that it enters into the, these are, okay, what we call lungs. Okay, those are enters into the lungs, and again from the lungs it enters into the blood, and from blood again, okay, carbon dioxide gas, oxygen enters inside and carbon dioxide comes out, right? You are learning this one. We are taking in oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. What we are taking? We are taking in oxygen, taking, okay, and breathe out. Breathe out which gas? Breathe out carbon dioxide. What is that? Carbon dioxide. This is the gas name. Okay, remember, carbon dioxide is coming out and oxygen is taking in with the help of lungs. Remember, so these lungs helps in breathing. Main organ. These are the organs. Those helps in breathing. So these organs comes under respiratory system. Right, children? Now I'll show that picture for you. Look at here. Next picture is respiration. See, look at here. This is the picture. Nose. Okay, one is mouth, another one is nose. Both are, but both are not mixed. Okay, one is another diaphragm is there, no? That tube. And this one is windpipe. After that, these two are lungs. And air enters into the lungs and again comes out. Carbon dioxide gas comes out. Okay, through the same way. Got it, children? So, these, which organs helps in breathing? Tell me. Nose, okay, windpipe and lungs. Remember, how many lungs are there for us? 2 lungs. Okay, 2 lungs are there. Got it, children? So, this is about which organs? Nose, windpipe, lungs. All the 3 organs comes under respiratory system. Right, children? Next, another system. That is about nervous system. What is the next one? 5th one. Okay, nervous system. Nervous means, look at here. Close your eyes, and if anything happens around you, you came to know or not? Are you hearing? If you close your eyes, can you able to hear some sound? Right? And you came to know. How you came to know around something is happening? You came to know without, with your eyes, with your nose, okay, with your tongue and with your ears, skin, all things, okay, tells to the brain, right? So again, brain tells, means passing some information to the brain, and again, so how these, how means based on nervous system. If anything is happening around you, you came to know means that is mainly based on nervous system. You are came to know, right? Generally, if anything is happening, if your mother is cooking in the kitchen, you are sitting in the hall room and you came to know, mummy, what mummy is doing in the kitchen. Why? Because through some sense, it enters through the nose, and you are hearing some sound, music. That sense also you came to know. How you came to know? Based on nervous system. What are the, okay, parts? What are the organs involved in nervous system? Means brain. Okay. First one is brain. Second one is spinal cord. Okay. Third one is nerves. Okay, children. These are the 3 organs. Okay, make up nervous system. We are reading, right? All the organ systems are there in the organism. Okay, these organs make up nervous system. Now, suppose think it is a brain, and this is a spinal cord. Inside the, okay, this is the person. Suppose think it is a person's. Okay, here brain is there, right? We have brain, right, inside our head. So here brain. This is spinal cord. And nerves, okay, like a connection. Nerves are connected to various parts. Understood, children? Like a root, right? Now I'll show that picture. So these nerves tells to our brain, and again brain tells to those parts. Understood? So these 3 comes under, what are those 3? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. All these 3 organs comes under nervous system. Okay, now I'll show that picture for you. Now look at here. In our body, the nervous system are like this. Okay, brain, and long one is there, no, that is the spinal cord, and some roots like structures are there, no, those are all nerves. Okay, remember, learn the spelling also. Okay, learn those spellings. Brain, spinal cord, nerves, all together make up which system, children? Nervous system, right? Next, another system. Next system is about circulatory system. What is the next system? That is sixth one, circulatory. Okay, learn all these spellings. Those are very, very new for you, right? So learn those spellings. Circulatory. Circulation means what? Okay, circulation is nothing but passing blood to every part. If anything, okay, suppose you fall down, then you got some wound and blood is comes out from that place, right? Why blood is coming out? Because every part, if you, okay, pinch everywhere, every part, okay, in our body, the blood is moving. How means, mainly children, some systems are there, some organs helps in, okay, passing that blood. How? First organ is heart. In the circulatory system, few organs are there. Organs make up system, right? Organ system. That one is, first one is heart. After that, blood vessels and blood. 1, 2, 3. These three make up circulatory system. Okay. We have heart, right? I said this one in the previous class. Heart is there for us. Okay. Continuously working. Okay. Without non-stoply working. Means without stop, it is continuously working. From our birth time to till the death. Understood? So, heart, what is the function of the heart? Do you know? It pumps blood always. It pumps blood to every part in our body. Understood? And the blood vessels are there, no? Those are like a pipe. Those pipes passes blood to every part. The blood is also comes under this, okay, organ system. Now, I'll show that. Look at here, children. This is circulatory system. Heart is there, right? And blue and red pipes. Those are pipes. Blood vessels. What are those? Blood vessels. Blue and red color. Okay, pipes are blood vessels. These two are blood vessels. And this one is heart. And inside the blood vessel, blood is there. Okay. So, blood is circulates, okay, throughout the body with the help of heart. Heart pumps blood. Right, children? So, circulatory system, what are the three main parts? Heart, blood vessels and blood make up circulatory system. Circulatory is nothing but circulation. Okay, moving the blood to every part, okay, in our body. Right, children? Next system. Next system is about, okay, excretory system. Excretion is meaning is, okay, waste. Understood, children? Excretory system means some waste, okay, is there in our body. That waste has to come out. Otherwise, our body become poison. Okay. In that system, children, we have kidneys. Now, I'll show you that picture. This is the, okay, down below the stomach. We have 2 kidneys. Okay. And this is urinary bladder. Okay. Bladder. Here only the water is stored. After that, it comes out. That reproductive. 8th one is reproductive. Means, children, reproductive system. It is nothing but, see, from where you are coming, you comes from your mother, right? Your mother comes from your grandmother. Your grandmother comes from grandmother. Your grandmother comes from grandmother, right? That means generations, okay? From one to another. So many. So, this one we call it as reproductive system. Understood? means give birth to young ones. Okay, children? Give birth to young ones. Okay, that system comes under reproductive system. See here, I'll show you picture. Nothing but reproductive. See your mother and you. Means so many children comes from their mother, right? So that system what we call reproductive system. Have you understood up to here, children? Now I am going to show you a small video. Watch that video, children.
A number of organs are connected to perform a particular function, and such organs connected together makes an organ system. Let's learn different organ systems in our body. Organs like stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine work together to make our digestive system. The digestive system breaks down the food we eat into smaller units called nutrients. The nutrients are then absorbed into the blood. So digestive system helps us in taking food and making it ready for use in the body. Now let's learn about the respiratory system. The airway, lungs, and muscles of respirations forms our respiratory system. Respiratory system helps us in respiration or breathing. Breathing gives oxygen to our body and take away carbon dioxide from our body. Oxygen helps to burn the food to get energy. The lungs are the main organs of the respiratory system. Now let's learn about excretory system. Organs like kidneys, bladder, and urethra makes our excretory system. Function of excretory system is to remove the waste material from our body. Now let's learn about circulatory system. Heart, arteries, veins, and blood makes our circulatory system. It carries blood to all parts of the body. Now let's learn about our skeletal system. Bones of our body forms our skeletal system. It gives shape and support to our body. Framework of bones also protect our delicate internal organs. Like our skull protects our internal organ, brain. The rib cage protects our lungs and heart. We can stand, sit, walk, and move because of our bones. There are 206 bones in the body of an adult human. Now let's learn about the nervous system. The nervous system consists of the brain, spinal cord, and different types of nerves. It receives messages from the sense organs and other parts of the body and sends orders for the action. The nervous system is a highway along which your brain sends and receives information about what is happening in the body and around it. Now let's learn what is muscular system. Muscular system is made up of muscles. Most of the muscles are attached to the bones. Bones and muscles work together. The system of bones and muscles helps us to do different kinds of work. All the body movements are possible because of muscles and bones in our body. So kids, today we learned a lot about human bodies.
Have you watched the video, children? Is it clear now? Yes. Now we'll just revise today's class. Okay. Here, as the following is there. Now you have to tell me which system is having which organ. Understood? Now, skeletal system. Skeletal system contains which organ? Bones, right? Yes, here. Right? That is B. First one is B. Next, muscular system. Muscular system means muscles are there, right? Around the bone. Where that one? Here. So, answer is A. Right? Next, circulatory system. Circulation means all the blood is passing to every part of our body, I said, right? Which one pumps the blood to every part in our body? Yes. What is that? Heart, right? So, here only. C. Answer, right? Next, respiratory system. Means respiration means taking in air and breathing out, I said. Breathing is nothing but breathing. We call it as taking in air and take out, okay, that breathe out air. Right, children? Which one comes here? Which organs are there that helps in respiration? Yes. What are those? Lungs. Right? Two. How many lungs are there for us? 2 lungs. Right, children? What is that answer? E. Right? Last one. Excretory system means waste. Waste is removed out from our body, right? How? With the help of which organ? Tell me. Yes, we have 2 kidneys, right? Where are those? The system is having kidneys, right, children? So answer is D. Have you understood up to here? Yes, children. Next part we'll see in the next class. Until that, take care. Bye.